To be like Jesus. Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. Nature offers messages of hope and comfort. August 13th. He sendeth the springs into the valley, which run among the hills. They give drink to every beast of the field. The wild asses quench their thirst. Psalm chapter 104, verses 10 and 11. Nature and revelation alike testify of God's love. Our Father in heaven is the source of life, of wisdom, of joy. Look at the wonderful and beautiful things of nature. Think of their marvelous adaptations to the need and happiness, not only of human beings, but of all living creatures. The sunshine and the rain, that gladden and refresh the earth, the hills and the seas and the plains, all speak to us of the Creator's love. It is God who supplies the daily need of all his creatures. In the beautiful words of the psalmist, the eyes of all wait upon thee, and thou givest them their meat in due season. Thou openest thine hands and satisfiest the desire of every living thing. Psalm chapter 145, verses 15 and 16. God made Adam and Eve perfectly holy and happy, and the fair earth, as it came from the Creator's hand, bore no slight, no blight of decay or shadow of curse. It is transgression of God's law, the law of love, that has brought woe and death. Yet even amid the suffering that results from sin, God's love is revealed. It is written that God cursed the ground for man's sake, Genesis 3, verse 17. The thorns and the thistles, the difficulties and trials that make life one of toil and care, were appointed for our good as part of the training needful in God's plan for our uplifting from the ruin and degradation that sin has wrought. The world, though fallen, is not all sorrow and misery. In nature itself are messages of hope and comfort. There are flowers upon the thistles, and thorns are covered with roses. God is love. It is written upon every bud, upon every spar of springing grass. The lovely birds making the air vocal with their happy songs, the delicately tinted flowers in their perfection perfuming the air, the lofty trees of the forest with their rich foliage of living green, all testify to the tender fatherly care of our God and to his desire to make his children happy. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes.